This is the Hyper Go MJX 16209. It's very famous because it's very durable, but actually we broke the differential in a couple of weeks. The gear was totally stripped down, and we are making jumps with this type of ramps, so it's not super high. In this video I will show the difference from the original gear and an upgraded part. The upgraded part 14401G, it's a CNC part and it is magnetic. The original part is not even magnetic, I think it's a sort of aluminum or sintered material. To compare the hardness of the two materials, I tried to drill a hole with the same pressure on the two parts, and as you can see, the CNC part is almost untouched, while the original part you can easily produce a hole. The material of the original gear is super soft, I can cut it with an electrical knipper. The CNC part is called 16401G, while the original part is called 16401 only. This costs 10.5 euro, this one 20.53 euro. I will put the link down in the description. Now I reassemble the gear and I will test it for a while, and I will let you know down in the description if the things are still going fine or also this one is breaking. That's it, have fun, thanks for watching.